Good evening. This is Dr.A.Shameem Fathima with you here to have a glimpse about the very interesting lab integrated course Data Analytics. Let's begin with an introduction to Big Data Analytics. Data analytics is actually a discipline that is focused on extracting insights from the data. It includes the analysis, collection, organization, and storage of data, as well as the tools and the techniques which are used to do all these processes. This forms the discipline called as data analytics. On the screen, you see a picture which elaborately describes the definition. The chief aim of data analytics is to apply the statistical analysis and the technologies on the data to find the trends and solve the problems. Data analytics has become very increasingly important in the enterprise. It's a means actually for analyzing and shaping the business process and improving the decision making and business results. Data analytics actually draws from a range of disciplines. It includes computer programming, mathematics, and statistics so that we can perform the analysis on data to describe, predict, and improve the performance. To ensure robust analysis, actually the data analytics teams they leverage a range of data management techniques. It includes data mining, data cleansing, data transformation, data modeling, and more. This is a description between a differentiation that shows the data analytics and the business analytics. Actually speaking, business analytics is another subset of data analytics. The business analytics actually uses the data analysis techniques, which includes the data mining, statistical analysis, and predictive modeling to drive the better business decisions. The famous Gartner, he defines business analytics as solutions used to build analysis models and simulations to create the scenarios, understand the realities, and predict the future states. So, this gives the difference between the data analyst and the data scientist. The business intelligence is the focus of data analyst, and the data discovery is the focus of data scientist. Here, the very often two terms which are often closely related come here, data science and data analytics. Actually, data analytics is a component of data science. It is used to understand what an organization's data looks like. The output of this data analytics are the reports and visualizations. Data science, it takes the output of this analytics to study and solve the problems. So the difference between the data analytics and data science is often seen as one of the time scale. Data analytics describes the current or historical state of reality, whereas the data science uses that data to predict or understand the future. Now, the main focus is about the big data analytics. So, the process of converting the large amounts of the unstructured raw data which are retrieved from different sources to a data product that is useful for organization forms the core of big data analytics. The big data analytics refers to the systematic processing and analysis of large amounts of data and complex data sets which are known as the big data to extract valuable insights. This is what big data analytics stands for. It's better, faster decisions in the real time. It moves the code to data for greater speed and efficiency. Big data analytics gives a richer, deeper insights into the customers, partners, and the business. Big data analytics is completely technology enabled analytics. It's time sensitive decisions made in nearly real time by processing a stream of real time data. Big data analytics is a collaboration with business users and data scientists. So in big data analytics, we are going to work with data sets whose volume and variety is beyond the storage and processing capability of a relational database software. There are four methods of data analysis at work data. Let's see that now. Types of data analytics. The first one is the descriptive. The second type of data analytics is the diagnostic. The third type is the predictive, and the fourth type is the prescriptive. Let's see one by one. Descriptive. What's happening in my business? That's what the data is going to tell us. So it is a comprehensive, accurate and live data, and here we are able to have an effective visualization. Next comes the diagnostic. Diagnostic means why is it happening? We are able to drill down to the root cause, and we are able to isolate all the confounding information in this diagnostic analysis. Next comes the predictive analysis. It stands for what likely happen, what is likely to happen. The business strategies have remained fairly consistent over the time. So the historical patterns being used to predict specific outcomes using certain algorithms. The decisions are automated here using the algorithms and the technology. The last type of data analytics is called as the prescriptive data analytics. What do I need to do? That is the aim. The data is going to tell what do I need to do. So here in the prescriptive analytics, we have the recommended actions and strategies based on the champion or the challenger testing strategy outcomes. We can apply the advanced analytical techniques to make specific recommendations in this prescriptive analytics. So, focus on descriptive analysis is on summarizing and describing the past data to understand the basic characteristics. The purpose is to summarize the historical data to identify the patterns or trends. The techniques that is used in the descriptive analytics or the dashboards, the reports, data aggregation. We can take an example of the monthly sales reports, the web traffic statistics, the average customer satisfaction score. These are all examples of descriptive analytics. Next comes the diagnostic analysis, the why it happened stage. So here we are going to delve deep into the data so that we can identify the root patterns and the trends that are observed in the descriptive analytics. The purpose is to find the root cause of a problem or event. The techniques used in the diagnostic analytics are the drill down, data discovery and the correlations. Say for example, the sales dropped in March. Why? The bounce rate increased. Is it due to the page load time? The gold rate increases due to why? So these are all the examples of the diagnostic analytics. The third type, what will happen stage, is the predictive analytics. Here we are going to focus on the historical data to forecast the future outcomes. The techniques that are used normally in the predictive analytics are the statistical modeling and the machine learning. We have examples of predicting the customer churn, the forecasting the industry needs, the estimating the demand during the holidays. So here the historical data is used, statistical modeling is used, and machine learning is used to forecast the trends. This is predictive analytics. Next we have the prescriptive analytics, which describes what to do. So here we go with the techniques of optimization, simulation and decision modeling. The best examples of prescriptive analytics are the dynamic pricing models, the recommending the best shipping routes, the best routes, the automated marketing strategies. So here we are providing the recommendations for optimizing the future actions based on the insights that are derived from all the previous steps. So this is how the big data analytics types are classified: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive and so this is next. I hope you are clear with the all the four different types of big data analytics. The four different types have been described. In the next coming video, we are going to go into the big data analytics life cycle. So have a nice time. Any queries related, feel free to email me. Thank you.